when you see it. That's what I said. Do you have vision? Do you have choice? Do you have vision? That's why I said somebody with no purpose, they are the one always lagging behind. When you don't set a purpose for yourself, we have purpose. We move for a purpose. If I carry one leg out of my house now, there is a purpose. There is one purpose that involves money. So you guys on YouTube, I've given you your own thing. You can watch. That's the title of your own video. NZD USD live analysis, November 2nd to November 10. That's the period I'm holding my own things. You understand? And I said, it has broken down a new trend down, sell. I've sold it. I've sold it. And there's nothing I'm doing anymore. I sold it. I'm looking at it until we get something that tells us to get out, and that's the time we're coming to make another YouTube live, to tell you that, okay, at this point, please get out of that. But you would have made something. Yeah, you would have made something. The last trade I took was the USD JPY. That's my favorite, pair. I took it. At least that one gave me a lot. But I didn't hesitate. Throw something into my bank. Half of what I made, threw it into my bank. Just half. Not all. You see how we're doing our own thing? We don't just come out and just do fashion, or show body, or talk blah blah for nothing. You see? Come and talk for nothing. We are not talking for nothing. I always say preach, like, if you don't know the reason why you want to look good for nothing. But I will never tell you, talk for nothing. Don't talk for nothing. Talk for something. Let the words that come out of your mouth have a meaning, and let it command something. Let it do what you want from your heart. What do I want? What do I want from my heart? I want this paper. I want this paper. This paper, I want it out of my sight. Now I'm going to speak. If I need the permission to get this paper out of my sight, and I don't have the power to do it on my own, then I'm going to go speak. Hey, look, this paper is disturbing me. Come on. Find a way to get this paper somewhere else, my friend. Please, it's disturbing me. It makes me feel uncomfortable. And before you know, somebody is going to get this paper out of my sight. Why? Because it makes me feel uncomfortable. That is the power of the words that carries weight. That is why when I tell you guys that, look at me, I don't speak my Nihongo saying anone janai. I don't speak anone. I will tell you something that carries weight. You will shake. You will say, wow. Is this a gaijin? Or is there a Japanese soul inside this black skin that speak like this? This language he spoke carries weight. That's why I said, anywhere you go, they will recognize you and they will do what you want. Depends on how you carry yourself. If you want to learn how to carry yourself in a way that people will just see you and do what you want, first of all, carry yourself in a way that you don't care about yourself. Then see something called humiliation, backstabbing, discrimination, bully, power harassment. Then write it down on a book. How did I behave? And then I got this result. Okay. Write the behavior down. Then write down the result you got. Then, now, next. Go somewhere now. Go and do opposite of that behavior. Then you will see how you have changed the situation in your own life. Then you will say, okay, next time from today, this is how I will carry myself. So, our guide, okay, let's see something.